Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change group type on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram gives you the option of creating both public and private group based on your target audience. You can use a private group or if your target audience is limited and your content or product is private. However, if you want to make your new firm internationally increase sales, you may use a public group. So how to switch your group type on your Telegram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can open the group that you want to change the type. Here's the group. You can tap on the group info. You can tap on the pencil icon on the top of the group here. You can see the group type. This group type is public. If you want to change it to private, you can just tap on the group type here. You can choose on private group. So now, you can tap on the upper right corner here, the checklist. So now, if there is someone want to join this group, they can join by this link. So simple, right? So that is how to change group type on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!